Hello, welcome to another video. Today I will be trying these. This is basically Gummy Sushi. Raindrops, they're called. That's the company. So okay, yeah. So I've gotten the packaging off. Now it's time to actually try some of them. So first, we have these. I'm not sure what these are supposed to be, but I'm gonna try them anyways. Okay, so the yellow one first. It has a instinct flavor, like it has a little bit of lemon to it, you know? It's good, I'd say. Now, I want to see how the red one tastes and if it's like any different. The red one's pretty good too, except the red one is cherry, I think, and the yellow one is lemon. They're both good, but I say that the yellow one is a bit better. Next up is this thing. Not sure what this is supposed to be, but I'll eat it anyway. I assume it's supposed to be one thing. So I do not think that I was supposed to eat that as one thing, because like as an entire like food, it's too chewy to be eaten at the same time. I think you're supposed to like, take bites or split it apart. It's very good. It's hard for me to describe the flavor because, well, gummy food doesn't really have prominent tastes the same way like other foods do. But like yeah, I enjoyed that one. Now, I want to try this. It has like yellow dots, so I'll try it. That one was my least favorite out of the ones I've tried so far, because the texture with those dots, it just didn't really go the same way as the other gummy foods. It's still decent. I just prefer the other items more. Next up is this red thing. Well, there's two of them, but I'm gonna try one to make the video go a bit faster. So this part has a similar texture to the yellow thing, but it's a bit smoother. So, and the bottom is completely smooth. Oh. That one has a slight, one of the more fainter tastes, but it's still there. Texture-wise, I prefer this one over the yellow ones, but as for the taste and the flavor, I prefer the yellow ones. So, but I'd say the red one is a bit better. Okay, so next I will have this, which is a marshmallow with a red thingy around it. So this one has a sour taste to it. I mean, I like sour, like a little sour, but so this one is good. Yeah. So there's also this one, which looks the same as the previous one, but it's green. So it's this green thing and a marshmallow, half a marshmallow. So I'll see how it tastes. It tastes similar to the red one, but the green one is a bit more sweet and a little less sour. So that's how I feel about those two. They are very good. So now it's time to try this one, which is like this yellowish orange thingy and the marshmallow. So I'll try this one now. So the marshmallow was quite softer than the orange thing, but and also the flavors were a little different, but like they didn't go very well together. They didn't go that badly either. They're kind of like they go kind of well together. Not the best, but not the worst. Now there's also another one with the red. I just want to see how if it's like the color or is it like this type of gummy in general. So I'll try this one too. Okay, so that one was a bit better than the orange one. I think the flavor of the gummy went better into the marshmallow, if you know what I mean. So that's how I feel about that one. So overall, I'd say this is a good set. It does have the good ones have a little bit of bad, but it's a good set overall. So yeah, I'd recommend that one.